So Charlotte Coulson, is Charlotte in the room? Over there in the corner. Charlotte Coulson is a specialist palliative care nurse working for the Program of Experience in the Palliative Care Aged Care team. She travels nationally educating and supporting staff working with older people to understand and provide a palliative care approach. Charlotte has a passion for evidence-based sustainable palliative care practice and is currently advancing her skills in supporting those living with dementia. She's a messy gardener, I love that, and is obsessed with parkrun, loves her children and wrangles chickens, cats and a dog named Loki.
Life-threatening illness through the prevention and relief of suffering by means of early identification, impeccable assessment, and the treatment of pain and other problems. And most importantly, I think the physical, psychosocial, and spiritual, particularly in dementia care, and caring for people living with dementia and their carers. As Aaron said earlier on today, there's a lot of things to think about. It's very complicated, isn't it? They have different values and beliefs, different cultural backgrounds, different life experience, gender, sexuality, connections, their health needs are different. You know, Aaron was talking this morning about people having more than one thing happening for them with regards to their health care. So it's not just one size fits all. And I think with change behaviours, that's the thing that we've got to try and remember. But I think slightly further out lens. How long did it last? When did it happen? Where did it happen? What exactly was said and done? And is this new or is it recurrent? Is it a sudden change to this person? Completely out of character? Or are we now thinking that is it delirium? And then the consequences, what happened after the behaviour, what was done? What interaction occurred? And what happened as a result? Because sometimes one can feed back into, it can become a feedback loop because of what we do next.
Yeah, and I got Monday off as well. Okay, Robbie, it's time to have a shower and get dressed. Muddy, can you get Robbie's clothes? Come on, Robbie, up we get.
Hey, where are we going?
Wait on, I'll help you get her up. We're taking you for your shower, Roberta.
Oh, all right then. Oh.
So where did you say you're going for the weekend?
I like watching that show.
Up the coast. Are you okay, Robs?
Yeah.
Marty, I better go and check on Jennifer. I won't be a tick.
Oh, I'll just go and grab some towels.
What's happening now? Oh, hey! Oi! What are you doing?
Hey, settle down, Roberta.
Don't tell me to settle down, let go!
Dan, I need help.
I said let go!
She hit me. Stop that.
Hey, stop that, Robbie. Settle down. You can't go around hitting people.
I've had a gutful of this. I'm sick of getting hit.
Come on, sit down, Robbie.
You can bugger off too.
So, thinking about the ABC there, what sort of things happened before that behaviour?
Well, they do actually go and introduce themselves, make her aware, they're just talking about what they're doing.
Just talking over the top of that?
Yep.
Didn't give her any choice.
They didn't listen to her.
Not at all. In fact, they were talking about other stuff, wasn't it? Yeah.
This is the role that she was watching a television program that she was enjoying. We're just, off we go.
Yeah. And then took her in the room, didn't explain, left her in the room in her bra, which for some people might be really difficult. Some people are very, very private, eh?
they took away her glasses.
Took her glasses off. Yeah, and then just left her on her own, sitting on a cold seat. Yeah, so there's lots of things that were happening, wasn't it? And then quite rightly, what then happened was that the lady started to move her arm, and then she started shouting at the lady. So there might have been something going on with the arm. Yeah. So I will show you the video of, this is from Roberta's point of view.
If Robbie could explain what she was feeling, this is what she might tell us.
I wasn't trying to be a pain. I just didn't know what was happening. One minute I was happily watching the news, and the next they were dragging me up out of a chair. They pulled on my sore shoulder, it bloody hurt. Eventually I worked out about taking this in my shower. It's in the shower at night, so they wash the dirt off before going to bed, but they insisted on making me shower in the morning. Anyway, they got me to the bathroom, they started getting me undressed, and then they disappeared. I'm left sitting there half naked, and thinking after they'd forgotten me or what. So I tried to get up, and next thing one of them was back, grabbed me by my bad arm again. I couldn't see who it was, they were behind me, see, I was scared, I was confused and bloody angry. I just lashed out. I was protecting myself, I suppose. I didn't mean to hurt her. I'm sorry about that. My brother died a while back. No one here seems to know, or if they did know, they've forgotten, but it makes me sad. And it still upsets me that I couldn't go to his funeral. It stirs me up sometimes, and I can't explain it to any of them. I guess it doesn't help that my hearing isn't much good. I can only hear when people look me right in the face. I probably hit around a bit. I think I miss a lot of what they say to me here. It makes it hard.
Yeah, well, we got that. We got the intellectual environment as well. There's this, we've got a sort of two everyone.
It probably shouldn't have been this way because my handwriting